Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will see how to rotate an object in AutoCAD. Rotate command is in Modify panel under Home tab. You can see this is the option for rotate. I will just click here to activate the command, or I can use this command R and then O. This is the command for rotate. I will just enter RO and then I will press enter or space bar. This command will be activated. Again, then it is asking about select the object that you want to rotate. So I will just select this object through selection window. I will select whole of this object. Then I will press enter. Now it is asking about rotate, specify base point. So the base point is a point in which object will be rotated. Okay, if I will select this point, so object will be rotate around this point. Okay, so this is the base point. I will select this object. Now you can see here it is asking about angle as well. Okay, you can give any specific angle to rotate this object. For example, you can see here AutoCAD is calculating the angle in anti-clockwise direction. Here angle is 0 degree. Now here this is 90 degree. Then here it is 180 degree. Then here it is 270. Then back to 0. Okay. Now if you want to just rotate in anti-clockwise direction, you have to just give the positive angle, and if you want to just rotate around clockwise direction, you have to give negative angle. Okay, for example, I want to just rotate it to 90 degree in anti-clockwise direction. So what I will do, I will just give a 90 here in angle 90 degree, then I will hit enter. Now you can see here object is rotated along 90 degree. What if you want to just rotate this object along clockwise direction? So let me give you one example here. I will just activate the line rotate command. For example, I will hit enter. I will select object and I will press enter. Now it is asking about the base point. So I will just give the base point this one, for example. Okay. Now it is asking me about angle. So if I want to rotate it at 180 degree, I have to just give 90 degree. But if I want to rotate at 0 degree, for that what I will do, because this is clockwise direction, so in clockwise direction, remember you have to give the angle in negative. Okay, so I will just press enter a -90, then I will hit enter. Now you can see here in clockwise direction it is negative angle, and in anti-clockwise direction it is positive angles. Okay, so understand this. Whenever you want to just rotate object in clockwise direction, you have to give the angle in negative, and if you want to just rotate a object in anti-clockwise direction, you have to give the angle in positive. Okay, so I hope you understand this session. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.